I've always had a passion for handmade wood products. I've always thought, that's the highest end of furniture that you could ever buy. And so I came into the wood world as just a consumer. We build solid wood floating shelves and other furniture. We kind of niched down and said, hey, let's offer all different kinds of wood floating shelves. We can kind of batch everything together so we'll make it cost effective for the customers. And it's just grown and grown and grown. Dakoda Love started in Derek's garage.
That was a good feeling, starting in my garage. We got the machines up there and kind of cleared a space out and just went to town. We were actually doing it without dust collection at the time, so we had piles of dust and wood chips everywhere that we had to stop and clean up. And it got to the point where we were experiencing so much volume and we just could not keep up anymore. I felt like we were operating with dinosaur equipment in a modern age that required a higher class of machinery.
From the standpoint of working with Stiles, it was being local, being dependable, being reliable, and having the representation of good quality tools. We have quite a number of Ironwood brand tools. They are outstanding quality, dependable, reliable, straightforward. The controls are not complicated, and if I were in the market personally, I would have no hesitation buying an Ironwood brand product.
Stiles came in and showed us all these different ideas for how we can improve and automate our systems. From doing 40 sets of shelves a day with our staff to doing, with the same amount of staff, 120 sets of shelves a day. And at the same time, our quality has gone up and up and up.
We produce heirloom quality products that a customer buys them once and they're going to own them forever. That's pretty cool when you think about it in a disposable society.
We have a dream to offer a healthy, positive work environment for everyone here and to offer a really good quality product for our customers, and we want to take that to the next level.